Today we're making roasted peppers. Super easy. Barbecue on high. Put peppers on. 5 minutes, turn
Close
them.
barbecue.
Wait 5 minutes and we're gonna come back and turn them.
Right.
Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so we're just going to flip. And it's okay that they're completely charred.
You want them charred because then it's easier to peel them.
5 more minutes.
That's all.
Okay, it's been 10 minutes and it's
And
dark.
it's dark.
So,
It's time to take them off.
like that. Off, let them sit, and when they cool completely, we'll do the next step.
Right. Turn the barbecue off. We still have our hats on.
Hats on inside. Okay, you'll see after they've cooled off, they've deflated a little bit. The skin should come off really easily.
Yes.
Yeah.
Once you let them cool, the skin comes off easily. So I like to take this out first and hopefully get the seeds out.
And there's water inside that comes out. That's why it's very important that they're cool, or else you'll burn yourself. This is a hands-on.
It stains your fingernails, actually.
Always have clean hands. Wash your hands before you start. And if it's not cooked, the skin won't peel off as easily.
And it's a lovely job to do with your daughter.
Pull the middle out, let all the guts come out.
Taking our time in the kitchen. Even though I'm very hot with my hat on. Okay, so there we go. And then we open it up like this, and then we just pull it apart.
There, and put it in the bowl. That's it.
Not too big, not too small.
And they should just pull
And you
apart
can
really
take-
easily.
yeah. And the seeds come off. Then all we do is put some garlic, fresh garlic from our neighbor's garden. We're gonna do the granny chop. You could put in as much garlic as you like, or as little as you like. You don't have to put it in if you don't want to.
Yeah, you do.
See how our hands are a little bit stained? Salt. How much oil did we say? And about a quarter cup of olive oil. I don't know. We just wing it.
Like everything. We don't really have a recipe.
Well, and if you have really good olive oil and really good bread, then it's nice to dip the bread in the
you
olive
can never
oil.
have too much olive oil for this.
Right. And then we're going to cut up some
Fresh basil.
and we just happen to have some bread heating up. Ouch.
Don't burn yourself. There. Okay, so overall we put about 1/3 of a cup to 1/4 cup of olive oil, salt, fresh ground pepper, and basil. And then you just mix it up.
Right. And look how lovely and delicious.
And there you have it.
Are we going to try some?
Of course.
Oh, phew. This is the best part.
Maybe a fork?
No way. Look. Dip. I'm just going to dip in the oil. This is good.
I'll take a little piece. Yep. Little piece.
So good.
So good.
And so simple.
Peppers.
Okay, we have to take our hats off.
You're sweating.